Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Now I am happy that I have many students, thousands of students, millions of students all over the country. So I am very happy to giving lesson to you. The last class I discussed about transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. I discussed some rules. Now today I want to continue this and the rest rules of changing sentence from affirmative to negative. Now look at the monitor. In the previous class I discussed only non-but if they are only in the sentence to meaning thing, nothing but, and if they are only in the sentence to meaning number, not more or less than. We also discussed the rules. If they are must in the sentence, we use cannot but or cannot help ing verb after verb. Today we discussed both and every, as soon as, etc. Dear students, look at the board. If in the affirmative sentence started with every dot, then in the negative to change into negative we use there is no dot and but next. Such as example, every mother, a common example, every mother loves her child. It is a common. We change it into negative. So look, every, there is no. There is no. Then mother, we also write mother, there is no mother. Next, but, and the remaining part loves her child. Loves her child. Dear students, another example. Everybody hates a liar. It is also made negative. In every there is no, and body. Here in the first sentence, every mother, so we wrote there is no mother. Now body, we write body. There is nobody but hates a liar. Hates a liar. We also apply another rules by using no and opposite word. The previous class I discussed this rule. To make affirmative negative we can use opposite word. Today we can use this. No mother hates her child. Nobody loves a liar. Understand? Okay. The students, have you written it? Okay, I erase it. Next rule. There are many rules. Next rules. both and. In the affirmative sentence, if they are both and or only and, we can use not only but also. I give example. Both Salma and Snigdha, both Salma and Snigdha are bright students. Obviously, make it negative. So, in the rules, both we use not only at first, not only, then this, not only Salma, but also Snigdha are bright students. Here both and we use not only but also. Another example, make it clear. Shakespeare another example, Shakespeare was both. Have you heard the name of English poet Shakespeare? I can think you of course heard this name. Shakespeare was both a poet and a dramatist. Make it negative. So both and, this is the affirmative sentence and it has both and this is structure. So we use Shakespeare was. Now we use not only a poet but also a dramatist. তিনি শুধু একজন কবি ছিলেন না, একজন নাট্যকার ছিলেন। তিনি কবি এবং নাট্যকার ছিলেন। এখানে তিনি শুধু একজন কবি ছিলেন না, একজন নাট্যকার ছিলেন। Now we go to another rules. Rules number 8. In the affirmative sentence, we look some sentence as soon as. In this case, to change into negative, we use no sooner had plus subject plus verb past participle plus then plus remaining part. I can use an example. As soon as the doctor came, patient died. Patient died. Make it negative. The students look in the affirmative sentence as soon as. At first we use no sooner. Then subject the doctor. No sooner had the doctor. The verb came, we use past participle. Come, came, come. So, come. And you see a comma in the affirmative sentence. So, instead of comma, we use then. Doctor had, no sooner had the doctor came, then again the remaining part, the patient died. Died. I can use another example. As soon as the police came, the thief ran away. Negative. You try. It is very easy. As soon as, no sooner had. No sooner had. The police. The police. Same verb came, we use come, came, come. Verb past participle. No sooner had the police come, we use then instead of this comma. Then the thief ran away. Remaining part of the sentence. That's okay. Dear students, another common and important rules. There are many rules, but we discuss only common and important rules. And this type of grammar from 6 to 10, but we are now teaching 6 to 8. So we use important and very common rules. The remaining rules we can learn in class 9 and 10. Rule number 9. In the affirmative sentence, to plus adjective plus to. There are some affirmative sentence this type. Then in the negative sentence, at first we use so, then we use adjective, that, then we use that, then subject, cannot or could not. In the present tense we use cannot, and in the past tense we use could not. Is, if there is we use cannot, if there was or were we use could not. Then baki remaining parts we omit these two, then remaining part. Example, he is too weak to walk. Make it negative. All the sentences today we discuss, all are changing from affirmative into negative. He is too weak. So, at first, he is too. Instead of too, we use so. He is so. Then adjective weak, we use weak. He is so weak. Then we use that. Then subject again. He. This is present tense, and we use here use is, so we use can. He cannot. Remaining part, we deduct this, we omit this too. He cannot walk. Remind it, we omit this two. So 2 plus adjective plus 2, we use so adjective that subject cannot, could not, or last bar. Another example, the man was too old to move. Make it negative. At first, we write this, the man was, then instead of two, we use so. The man was so old, adjective old, so old that we use the man he. This is past tense. He could not move. Clear? Yes. Have you any questions? These are some important rules I discuss. No. My dear students, we are now at the end of our lesson. Now I want to say some important matter about coronavirus. You know that all over the country and whole world are facing this crucial moment. So we should be careful. We should pray to Almighty Allah or God for our betterment. And we always use masks when we go to outside. We wash our hands for 20 seconds again and again. We take physical exercise, we take rest, we eat protein, vitamin rich food, and etc. So stay at home and stay safe. Thank you all.